Cut it in half.
More.
Now we try the other one.
Hey. 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 Not as good.
Okay.
Now we try the bread knife. A little bit. Hey, how do you cut this with the bread knife?
Which one works the best?
This knife.
It actually cuts.
This knife doesn't cut very well.
Okay, you want to cut the scallion?
Softer.
Yeah. Oh, how about a knife guard? You want to try that?
No.
No? Why not?
I don't know.
You don't like using it? Okay,
Failure.
that doesn't work. Failure. Okay, put that one away.
I got
You
it.
don't want to hurt yourself.
Wait. Those. Not too bad. Still the best one. Slowly. Slowly. Go.
I think we should put those away, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So which one is the winner?
This guy.